March 6th is National Oreo Day each year. Stick around to learn fun, hands-on, and edible activities that you can do at home or in the classroom. Let's get started. Phases of the moon. Use an Oreo cookie for each moon phase. Fractions. Who knew math and fractions could be so tasty? Plate tectonics. Use Oreo cookies to demonstrate convergent, divergent, and transform boundaries. Oreo taste test. Do you know how many Oreo flavors exist? Think you can guess the flavor? Pull out some blindfolds and test your guessing skills. Oreo sculptures. For a relaxing activity, use the frosting of the Oreo to make lots of different works of art. Last but not least, try to bake your own Oreos. For a free recipe, check out the Twinkl website. That's all for now. Twinkl wishes you a happy Oreo Day.